Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Shelling out $20 each month for an AI service feels a bit steep, especially when the leap in quality from free alternatives often seems minimal. But what if I told you that there are ingenious ways to sidestep this recurring cost and still wield cutting-edge AI? I'm about to unveil some brilliant strategies I employ daily to navigate this financial hurdle, ensuring I always have access to top-tier models without the premium price tag. This is the first step and the first strategy, the arena of free intelligence. Our first solution is refreshingly direct and incredibly potent. So, in here in your home browser, head over to chat.imsys.org, just the way you see here, and enter. Now venture into the Arena side-by-side interface. Here, nestled with a simple drop-down menu, you'll discover a treasure trove of AI language models at your fingertips, completely free of charge. Yes, that includes even the formidable GPT-4. Occasionally, even this generous platform might reach its hourly capacity. In such moments, my go-to champion is Clouder 3 Opus, a model that in many evaluations now surpasses even GPT-4 in its capabilities. It's like having a secret weapon when the primary armory is momentarily depleted. Another method is to use OpenAI's free tier, that is ChatGPT web interface. OpenAI has made its latest flagship model, that is GPT-4.0, that is Omni. It's available to free users directly through the GPT website. GPT-4.0 is an improvement over the original GPT-4, offering better performance in various modalities, that is text, audio, and vision. This is how to access it. While still here on the browser, just type in chatgpt.com on this new tab. Sign in with your free OpenAI account or create one if you don't have one. When you start a new chat, GPT-4.0 will be the default model for free users. You will usually see an indicator at the bottom of the chat or in the model selector. These are some of the limitations. It has usage limits. Free users have a message limit for GPT-4.0, e.g. around 10 to 20 queries within a certain time frame, subject to system load and demand. While you get access to GPT-4.0 or 4.0 level intelligence, a certain advanced features like extensive data analysis or highly complex file uploads might have further restrictions or be limited to paid tiers. Another option is to use Microsoft Copilot, which is formerly called Bing Chat. Microsoft Copilot is one of the best ways to access GPT-4 and GPT-4o for free with relatively generous usage. Microsoft has integrated OpenAI's models into Copilot and Bing Chat. This is how to access it. While still in here, open a new tab, type in copilot.microsoft.com like this, or even bing.com/chat and enter. Sign in with your Microsoft account, that is either Outlook, Hotmail, Live. If you don't have one, it's free to create. You can choose different conversation styles, that is creative, balanced, or precise. The creative and precise models are explicitly powered by GPT-4 and now GPT-4.0 or 4.0. You can ask questions, generate text, and even create images using DALL-E3, all powered by OpenAI's models. However, these are some of the limitations. It also has session limits. While often high, there can be limits on the number of turns in a single conversation session. You also have some daily limits. They are typically daily message limits, but they are generally more generous than OpenAI's direct free tier. Another option is to use Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI is a conversational AI search engine that leverages large language models, including GPT-4o, provide direct answers with sources from the web. This is how to access it. Go to perplexity.ai. You can use it without an account for basic queries, but signing up free often grants more features and higher usage limits. Look for the Copilot feature or model selection, which often indicates the use of advanced models like GPT-4. These are some of its limitations though. First is its free users typically have a limited number of Copilot queries, around 5 queries every 4 hours. So the primary focus is on providing factual cited answers based on web search, so it might not be ideal for purely creative or open-ended generative tasks. So this is the reality of unlimited free GPT-4. The term unlimited for free access to advanced AI models like GPT-4 or GPT-4o is generally a misnomer. These models are expensive to run. Services that offer free access usually have hidden limits, something like message caps, daily limits, or session limits. They also use freemium model. They offer basic access for free to encourage upgrades to paid tiers. They also are running less powerful versions or dynamically switch to a cheaper, less capable model when demand is high or your free quota is met. Some newer models might offer more generous free access during initial testing, but this is usually temporary. And yeah, that's all about it. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this.